Dharinjoy, Tripura. He will read his poems in the Tripura language.
Khulumbai to all, respected chairperson of this August function, and ladies and gentlemen. I thank respected Dr. Dimas Musari sir and organizer for inviting me to this prestigious literature event. As we know, Tripura language is a language from Tripura state, a sister language of Bodo group. And linguistic Sir George Giraha Abramson mentioned it Tripura language in his book Linguistic Survey of India, Volume 3, Part 2, Tibeto-Burman Family, Bodo Group, Tripura. Now I am going to recite poetry in my mother tongue, Tripura language. First poem name, Hofreng. Mia ani dongorimang bai kerayo, silai aro baji kokma khorango, tini ibuti khorangno aro kiriliang, tabok ani langmani belairok punggui tanggo, Chobani kok sujogi, mangtangni kok thero, habsini hor ongui, akhogi phainani nayo, batang phur. Tabuk ani kirima silai aro bazini hopring hai, ijang ujang hagok layo, asuk thayo sarjagi, iro tabuk muikathungkai asailia, uri khuktibai wasre jagai, busli chopa ongkha. Bisi katal ani bagai tubi phaya mungsabo tongthuk mani kokton muito sming khlai rugo jaiti masa kamajak mani kokno aro bisi saiseni blog sisi kokdumano tabo aichukni nobah bai silai aro baji kokmani bakhai sajagi phaido ani kongthai kore noba koborni loge ani kha sabai tongthok jagya muito manimang orakma kri silai aro baji perma khorangno tabo sakni thuilam rok sutung jagbaikha chamung lomuni mangabai ani mukti kukru unglia wau kafru tisatirmo kosol kosogoi thango khuri sakati sring bari sring. A few lines for all in English. Spark. Yesterday, my dearest dreams broke and fell at the blast of guns and bombs. Today, I do not fear such noise because the lips I have sown and throat I have woven. 3 clouds of resistance. Another story taught my insights and silently roared with anger. A fuming volcano, its molten lava, erupting intermittently, gushing spasmodically. Now my fears like spark of gun and bombs, directionless, dispersed and all round me fall. Now the vegetables do not grow here, beneath the earth, by up terminates. The seeds have gone sterile. The new year does not bring me good tidings. It only reminds me of a race lost gone ago, and nearly forgotten. The gentle breeze before dawn that bring me the burn smell of guns and bombs, irreverently mixed with eager stormy winds. The noise of guns and bombs have denuded my soul. There is no daily happiness for me. I feel the famine around me. Now on this Protein being, even my tears have become soil like sparkling water swallowed by unfeeling peaks. They trickle down my lap, stingly, very stingly. My another poem, Hankrukmani Ganti. Ani hukni mai kata sama panago, narwayongi phai majakha, parani ruwaja, dabeng, aro karbari. Luku besergo khumta kanrugai, ano khar wairanani bagai, khatung khajaklai, guthung laija hu arini lukurok. Panani paithago phai sopaikha, mailungma, khulungma, aro hasukma. Maibalama panani, mailungma ungai, Tripura jagma. Khorok thok mutang, khogo kok mutang, warik sakai mini sago, hukni mai katal sagai. Hukni mai katal samani sagai khanargo, kami ausaisa, guan subbuti sogai, salo ok paiti matuma, aifuni laibozak koktuma. Tabuklai sagai sasni sabaya, unok burani, aliatugo, khamutang mutang, maidu sogai chalayo. Bolongni toksa tongli ro, khamri layo, eri rugo, sebrai rugo, hukatal ni maitang. Luku hukmu laruknai rokbo, maisam kolsani morok masia, lama bubrajak, khorok kitingjak, sorogno khatung laijak, hukatal go, tang bitini khorang, hankrukmani gantui, lasi jagai makhang fui jagai, japrang baprang ungai, aifung. Rutuknai kiri kasabo hu katal ni tang biti khorang bajang kamai tongkha jatana hambai. Thank you for being all. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you, Dharinjoy Tripura. I thank all the poets.